Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the world of healthy foods and drinks that you may not want to overeat. Yes, you heard that right. Even though they are good for you, moderation is still key. So, let's dive in. First up, avocados. Don't get us wrong, avocados are loaded with healthy fats and fiber, but they are also high in calories. So, enjoy them in moderation to avoid unwanted weight gain. Next on our list are nuts. While they are a great source of protein and healthy fats, those little guys are packed with calories. So, instead of mindlessly munching on them, be mindful of your portions. Moving on, we have coconut water. A refreshing and electrolyte-packed drink. But watch out for the calories and sugar content. It's best to limit your consumption to avoid excess calories in your diet. Now, let's talk about granola. It's often seen as a healthy option, but many store-bought varieties can be loaded with added sugars and unhealthy oils. So, read the labels carefully and choose wisely. Oh, and what about natural fruit juice? Although it's made from real fruits, juicing removes the fiber, leaving you with a concentrated sugar bomb. So, enjoy whole fruits instead. Moving along, we have dried fruits. They are a convenient and nutritious snack, but they are also higher in sugar and calories compared to fresh fruits. So, be mindful of your portions. Next on our list is yogurt. It's a fantastic source of calcium and probiotics, but certain flavored yogurts can be loaded with added sugars. Opt for plain yogurt and add your own fruits for a healthier choice. Speaking of sugar, honey is a natural sweetener, but it still contains sugar and calories. Moderation is key here too. Now, let's talk about olive oil. It's a staple in many kitchens, but it's also high in calories. So, drizzle it. Don't drown your food in it. Balance is everything. Moving on, we have chia seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients, but they expand in liquid, so too many chia seeds can cause digestive discomfort. Moderation is key. And how about coffee? While it can boost your energy and focus, too much caffeine can disrupt your sleep and even lead to dependency. So, keep your caffeine intake in check. We can't forget about dark chocolate. It's loaded with antioxidants, but it's also calorie-dense. So, enjoy a square or two instead of the whole bar. Also on our list are protein bars. They can be a convenient snack option, but many of them are highly processed and loaded with added sugars. Opt for whole food snacks when possible. Next up, we have quinoa. It's a nutritious grain, but it's calorie-dense. Be mindful of your portions and embrace variety in your diet. Now, let's talk about smoothies. While they can be a great way to pack in nutrients, they can also be high in calories and sugar if not prepared mindfully. So, what's your ingredient choices? Moving on, we have whole wheat bread. Yes, it's a healthier option compared to white bread, but it's still higher in calories. Moderation and portion control are the key here. Lastly, we have coconut milk. It's a popular dairy-free alternative, but it's also high in calories and saturated fat, so use it sparingly. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this insightful and are now equipped with the knowledge to enjoy these healthy foods and drinks without overdoing it. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and tricks.